Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. On this week's video, I'm going to be walking you through the step-by-step process on how to make an aftershave. This aftershave has a very light, woodsy scent to it, and it is perfect for beginners. This is going to soothe and protect the skin as well as prevent any irritation from happening after shaving. For this aftershave, the first ingredient that I'm weighing out into my beaker is what's known as perfumer's alcohol. This is going to be acting as an astringent and an antiseptic in this formula. Now, if you don't have this particular ingredient, continue watching this video because I will go over with you substitutions for everything that I'm showing here today. Now, with that being said, this is also going to be great for acting as a carrier for the essential oils, as well as keeping the rest of the aftershave from having any bacteria, mold, or fungi from growing in it. You will notice a cooling sensation after you apply this aftershave to your skin, and that is because of the alcohol. To the alcohol, I'm now going to be adding my essential oils, starting with cedarwood. This has a woody scent to it, and it's going to help to soothe any inflammation that you might find after you shaved. Next, I'm adding frankincense essential oil. This is great for promoting skin healing as well as soothing any irritation. The last essential oil that I'm using is lavender. This is known to be wonderful for reducing any inflammation and soothing skin, but it's also going to be very moisturizing and helping to encourage new, healthy looking skin. This has a very floral scent to it as well. So now what I'm doing is I'm removing this from the scale, and I'm going to go ahead and stir the essential oils for about a few minutes into the perfumer's alcohol. After the stirring is done, I'm going to go ahead and place this back on my scale, and I'm adding some distilled water that I've already pre-weighed. Now, the distilled water is going to act as a solvent. It's going to help to blend all of the water-soluble ingredients that I'm using together nicely. This next ingredient is water soluble, and it is sage extract. Sage extract is high in antioxidants, and one of those antioxidants is flavonoids. What flavonoids do are they are going to be protective. So protecting the skin, for example, from environmental stressors. This is also great for anti-aging, and it's going to help to calm and soothe the skin. I'm going to go ahead and remove this from the scale. I have all of the ingredients that I want to use for this aftershave, and it's just a matter of stirring them all together. And what that will do for the aftershave, it's going to create a more effective and more stable product in the end, which is what you're looking for. Now all I have to do is pour all of the ingredients into my bottle. The bottle that you see here is an actual perfume bottle, excuse me, and this is the perfect size to hold this formula. The formula itself makes approximately 13 grams of aftershave. And then once I'm done pouring everything in, I'm going to go ahead and screw the lid on, and there you have it. There is your finished product. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this aftershave to my inner arm, and I wanted to give you an idea on how it looks once it's on the skin. So just a quick spray, there you have it, and it dries really quickly. And if you're concerned about does it smell like alcohol, it does not. And that's it. Before I finish this video, let me go over with you substitutions. Instead of perfumer's alcohol, I would highly recommend that you use 190 proof food grade ethanol. This is an alcohol that has been denatured, so it's not drinkable. For the sage extract, use either glycerin or aloe vera liquid. And then when it comes to the essential oils, cypress, sandalwood, and patchouli smell really good together and will still give you that woodsy scent. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.